Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen, I still think this is likely the end of a wave 3, and if that is the case, we are very likely in a corrective wave 4, which will probably last at least maybe 6 or so more months, maybe taking us down to the 50% level before we make another attempt on the uptrend for the wave 5. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. I still would definitely call this whole move down potentially all wave A. At some point, the next move up should be potentially a crutch into the wave A, like a wave B, and eventually head back down for a wave C. This would all be an ABC of wave 4, which I believe, because this is the weekly monthly time frame, is probably going to take at least 6 months to play out. So heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we're already almost all the way back down to these lows. I've been saying for a while that it does look like it could possibly turn up, break structure, and then start a move to the upside, which would be the beginning of the wave B. But I've also been saying until it actually breaks structure to the upside, I would continue to look for shorts on sort of time frames. I've been shorting the euro yen and the pound yen all week long, making some really nice profits because the trend is your friend, and going short in a downtrend is definitely the best bet for sure. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. Like I said, I've been sorting this thing for a while now. I went sort back here, I went sort right here, and it still doesn't even look like it's over. Now, if it goes up again, makes another little three-way pullbacks, makes another little engulfing move to the downside, I will go short again. The only thing that's going to turn me into a buyer is seeing a structure break, and right now the most recent structure is way up here. So, taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, we have CPI inflation data coming out today, and that definitely will affect the yen pairs also. Like I said, the trend is definitely down, so I'm not looking to buy. The only thing that's going to turn me into a buyer is if it goes up and breaks structure. Then I will be looking to buy on pullbacks, the days after the break of structure. But there's no guarantee that that's going to happen. And honestly, if this makes another one, two, three waves up, makes another engulfing move down, I will definitely sort it again because the trend is your friend. It looks like there could be a wave C on the higher time frames, but it definitely may not be a wave C. We need to just continue to trade with the trend until the trend is proven to be over. We don't really need to guess when the trend is over because we know if we get a clear break and hold above structure, the market will tell us that the trend is over. So there's really no need in guessing when this trend is over. So anyways, definitely don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.